this week's video is something a little bit different. I'm going to product test a pair of new goggles I bought myself from B&Q. Not advertise or anything for this, it's just purely a few YouTubers I watch and they do product testing on some machinery and tools what they get, so I thought I'd throw a couple in just to mix things up. These are from site, not from site but the name site. Slimline safety goggles. It's got PVC, polycarbonate, PC and nylon, and it's made in China. I thought I'd get some new goggles or glasses because I have the other glasses, and quite a lot of time when I'm sanding, especially old furniture, with the varnish on it and stuff like that, it gets in everywhere, so I wanted to try some like bigger goggles, so just took that off, open them up, see what they're like. They look a bit like skiing goggles. Got your silica pack in there. Put that on there so it don't finger. Yeah, they look like skiing goggles. Look pretty nice actually. From the look, I mean, very bendy, so it looks like they'll go to your face quite well. Looks pretty solid. That's all one piece across. Got like a break in nose there for your top of your nose part and that. It's not a sponge at all. It's the actual, like the PVC. So it's sort of like squishy, but it's not foam. Obviously you've got your nylon, which obviously that pulls them back. So I like that way they do stretch a bit. Let's try them on. Well, they look alright, Bonnie Davro, don't they? They feel really nice. Yeah, I like that. The only snag is like you've got your nylon, which obviously it's going to snap top of your ears there. Yeah, they feel really nice on. Yeah, I don't think they look too bad actually either. Got my front facing camera on my phone, so I can see myself. But yeah, they slacken off, so you just pull that cord, slackens off. Same as just pull that and it tightens up. Yeah, I like them. Seem to be really nice. The fit round nose, nice. Like I say, you've got really good visual. And I like to say, with the PVC comes obviously round, so it curved, so you can see out of the corner of your eyes as well. I mean, you have got like a tiny little bit of black, but you can see pretty much all the way around you. But like I say, proof, we need to get dust mask on. Need to see if the fog up with a dust mask. We need to see if it does stop stuff from getting in and getting out, because that's the main majority when I wear normal safety goggles or glasses, safety glasses. Usually bits get in from the side and can get into me and irritate me, but hopefully with these they won't. But they do feel really they feel really comfortable on. I mean, you know they're on your head. They're not like one of those where you don't feel them on your face or all that. But I mean, you do see them, but you can see pretty much all the way around you. So that's what I like, you know, because obviously with kids and stuff I've got, and coming up from the corner, you don't want them surprising you when you're cutting something. So I like them, yeah. So we'll get a mask on, we'll do some cutting, some sanding, and see what it'll look like on that. Cheers. Sweet. Yeah, just looking through the general eyewear, the EN166 2-2001. Copy of this manual, but it does say it's anti-mist. Sweet. So I've just gone through it, having a look at instructions. Obviously it says make sure it fits on your nose properly, comes round. Don't use abrasive, do not use abrasive chemicals to clean them, just like a damp cloth. And replace them obviously if they get really scratched and all that. One thing I am finding at the minute, because it's quite warm out, I'm getting a bit of a sweat round the old round seal. Gets a bit sweaty. Don't know if that's just because it's warm or anything like that, I don't know. But we'll have a look into that over time. But like I say, we'll try it with mask on, make sure it's not misty. It does say in here that it shouldn't mist, so we'll have to try it out. Sweet. Glasses didn't mist up. Sat in this chair, quite a lot of paint flecks, varnish. It's quite a bit of a breezy day as well, and nothing. really comfortable to wear. Very happy with them. I think they were £5.97 or 98p, so £6. Absolutely brilliant, really comfortable to wear, because it's a bit of a breeze as well. Nothing blowing into my eyes or anything like that. Really comfortable. Thumbs up from me, really. Absolutely brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I'll be using these all the time now, and for £6, it's to save your eyes and stuff and not get any dust or out in them. Absolutely brilliant. I had dust mask on, sanding this down with varnish and stuff, and paint chips blowing into my face and stuff, and didn't get anything into my eyes. Didn't steam up, didn't fog up, it stayed crystal clear all the way through. Absolutely, that's what you want. That's what you need. So it's a massive thumbs up from me. This is a new thing for me, doing a a product review. I ain't paid by them in any way, shape or form. I paid from myself. I got them from B&Q. Like I say, totally happy with them. And this is just a new thing which I've just started putting a couple of reviews in and stuff, just to build my channel up, sort of thing. But thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please share. Thumbs up if you like it. Obviously, thumbs down. I'm getting a reaction off somebody's watching it. Please ring that bell at the side, because I get videos up every week. Hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Cheers. See you next week.